Hi, it's nice to see you all again. I'm Matthew Bowerman, Assistant Principal at Maryvale. You're here with us, and as always, we're here with you. As we think about all we've been through and all we've accomplished as an MCPS family, I'm reminded about what this is all about. All the houses on either side of me make me think of MCPS families, homes, communities, neighborhoods, all moving forward towards academic success and social emotional wellness. Every MCPS family has a story based in language, heritage, culture. Different spaces, but the same caring faces. No matter what neighborhood you're in, we're with you. We're with you at the doors of every school, every day. We've missed you. Welcome back. Come on in. We return with you to hallways and classrooms to celebrate your engagement and all your hard work. We return to you with media centers filled with diverse stories, technology, maker spaces, workspaces, everything you need to inspire your imagination and take your learning to a whole new level. We return to outdoor spaces to play, to exercise, and to work on all your skills. We step on stage to return to you live with all kinds of performances and design productions. Now this is the kind of MCPS message our families are excited to return to. Different spaces, same caring faces. Your teachers, support staff, and administrators want you to know you're always a part of the MCPS family and no door is ever closed. From our neighborhoods to yours, we'll see you real soon.